What is viscosity? Why should I measure viscosity? So, in this video, we are learning about viscosity. Viscosity is the quantity measure of fluid resistance to flow. It's defined as the internal friction of fluid. Viscosity derived from the Latin word viscum. Viscum means anything sticky. Lack of slipperiness is called as viscosity. And the main definition of viscosity is a fluid undergoes continuous deformation when subjected to a shear stress. The resistance offered by a fluid to its continuous deformation is called viscosity. Our second question is, why should I measure viscosity? From viscosity measurement, we can obtain much more behavior and predictive information from products. A frequent reason for the measurement of rheological properties can be found in the area of quality control, where raw material must be consistent from batch to batch. For this purpose, flow behavior is an indirect measure of product consistency and quality. Main two types of viscosity: dynamic viscosity and kinematic viscosity. Measurement device of viscosity are rheometer and viscometer. Units of viscosity for dynamic viscosity: poise, kg per meter second, pascal second. Kinematic viscosity: stokes, meter square per second. Application: to design of any static and rotating equipment, in the operation of coating and printing, in making of blend fuel. Please like, share and subscribe.